Hi, welcome to Best Forex Gadgets, one destination for all your automated trading needs. Wow, in this video we are going to backtest this Gold Expert Advisor with the name 503835998 and the setting is 5652. This is for MetaTrader 5 in 15 minutes time frame. And we are not limited to Gold Expert Advisors, but we will be starting on currency pairs Expert Advisors very soon. It is just that we have accumulated the data for gold, so we are testing the Gold Expert Advisors first, and then we will be moving forward to other expert advisors for currency pairs, etc. So about this strategy, this is for almost 5 years of backtesting, and we will be using every tick based on real ticks and maybe open prices as well. And the equity we are using is 1000 on, and the lot size we are using is 0.10. 0.10 on 1000 is pretty much on the higher side. In case if you are not comfortable with, you can use lower lot size, that is 0.05 or maybe 0.03, 0.02, whatever. Okay, and this expert advisor will take, well, I'm sorry for this is the sound of MetaTrader. So one trade at a time, no martingale, no grid, no averaging, no hedging, and no risky strategy. There will be one target, one TP, and one stop loss. So in this video, the expert advisor that we are using, that is 503835998 for MetaTrader 5. It is based on 3 indicators: moving average, oscillator, Bollinger Bands, and envelopes. So this expert advisor also has various protection to safeguard your account. However, we are using very simple backtesting. We are not over optimizing the things. We are just using very simple backtesting, and even if you can just tweak or maybe optimize it more, then you can get much better results. So this expert advisor has various protections to safeguard further your account. That is like entry protection, daily protection, or account protection also. And along with that, there is a news filter for high, medium, and medium and high impact news. Okay, so we skip the entry protection and daily protection and the account protection part in the for the video because for the back testing, because these are just an additional tool to safeguard your account, not exactly what these should be in the back testing. These are additional things what you can safeguard your account. Okay, so let's start. So the setting we are using is 5652. So as I mentioned, moving average of oscillator, okay, and then Bollinger Bands we are using, and then envelopes we are using, and as I mentioned, there are entry protection, daily protection, and account protection to safeguard your account further, and there is a news filter as well. Okay, so we have not enabled it during our backtesting. We are just using it as additional safeguarding tool. Okay, and we are using every tick based on real ticks, as you can see it over here. So we have just started the test. History quality is 100%. Initial deposit 1000. Total net profit is 5735. Gross profit was 10549 and the gross loss 4813. Okay, these are the statistics. Okay, and profit factor is 2.19, recovery factor is 9.18, expected payoff is 62.34, and the Sharpe ratio is 3.40. As I mentioned earlier also, I generally focus on these four factors, and the total trades is 92. Okay. Okay, like if we are winning 4 trades, we are earning for 1037, and if we are losing 4 trades together, we are losing minus 378. That is approximately, I mean, this is almost 3 times, right? Consecutive wins 2, consecutive losses 2. If we are losing 378. If we are earning, we are earning 1037. So this is what actually this channel or these expert advisors are not to show you a huge amount of profit or a quick rich kind of profit. However, these are the kind of consistency that I have been looking for personally. And if we tweak more into the setting, but not to overfit or maybe over optimize the thing to curve fit. No, just a simple refinement in the setting can provide you much better results. However, if you see the number of trades are very less, so if you use couple of expert advisors like this in a single portfolio, in a single trading account, then they will be opening very less trades, and may not be like if you are using 10 expert advisors together, maybe 1 or 2 might take trades the same day. So this way your expected payoff, the profit factor and the recovery factor and the Sharpe ratio and the success to get on that particular trade is very much good, because the kind of risk that you are taking, you are earning more profit. Okay, you are earning more reward than what you are taking the risk. So that is what I have been looking for, and if some of you are looking for similar kind of things, then probably you can tune these expert advisors better. And however, in these general settings for I mean, this is working very good, as you can see the kind of result that it has shown so far. Now as we see every tick based on real ticks, let's try 1 minute UHLC now. 1 minute UHLC is quite fast. The backtesting results are in front of you. History quality is 99%, and the gross loss, gross profit is approximately the same, right? And as you can see it over here, profit factor 2.26, recovery factor 9.23, expected payoff 363.97, and the Sharpe ratio is 3.75. A little here and there, but approximately the results are almost the same. Okay, as you can see, this was 1 minute UHLC. Now let's also try this open price only, because most of these expert advisors, what I have been showing it over here in this channel, are based on open price only. But every tick is something that people most rely on, that is providing 100% data quality and the 100% history quality as well. Okay, so let's try open price only as well. This was so fast actually. See, so fast. Anyways, here are the backtesting results, again 99%. Okay, and the total net profit, the gross profit, and the drawdown is approximately the same. And if we see the graph, I see it it's 6884. However, okay, that is 1000 plus 5884. Okay, sounds good. Okay, and the profit factor 2.26, recovery factor 9.23, expected payoff 63.97, Sharpe ratio is 2.59. approximately the same here and there, a little bit, but approximately the same. So I have shown you three modeling test. One is open price, one is average tick, and one is UHLC, and the results are almost the same in this. So if you want, I can show you another setting with a little less profit, but let's see how it goes. So the test has been started, and you can enjoy the music in the meantime. The backtesting results. Wow, results are almost the same, however it is a little different. Total net profit is 4412, gross profit was 8567, gross loss was 8154, expected payoff 45, Sharpe ratio has been increased 5.54, profit factor 2.06, recovery factor is 8.65. okay, and the rest the statistics are in front of you. Okay, so this is a different setting of the same expert advisor. So there could be hundreds of settings. Okay, I'm not sure like which one that you will like, but yes, my objective here is not to show you how profitable the expert advisors are, but how consistent they can be and how much risk over reward that you can get. That is more important, because instead of using one expert advisor, you can use 10 to 15 expert advisors also in the same account, because they are not going to trade each and every day, each and every time. So in this case, the total trades is 98. Okay, and this is the 5 years backtesting. So in such cases, like when the expert advisors are taking less trades but quality trades, so you are always on the safer side. And along with that, we have provided multiple filters just to safeguard your account. So you should be good. So the testing that we have just did so far right now was 7889. Earlier we did 5652. So don't get confused with these. Expert advisor is the same. 5038 35998 is the name that we have given. Settings could have been different. Earlier we tested on 5652 in the same video, and just now what we did is on 7889 setting. Okay, so don't get confused with it. And thanks for watching, and subscribe to our YouTube channel in advance. In case if you have not done so far, please do that, and please watch, like, share and comment on the expert advisor. Let me tell you that each of the expert advisors are very good, and it is just that we don't want to over optimize or curve it just to show you high profitability. We are just showing you consistency and the risk to reward ratio. As you can see, the risk to reward ratio in terms of profit factor, recovery factor, the Sharpe ratio are very good. Okay, and you can connect with us on email bestforexgadgets@gmail.com. You can chat with me on Telegram, it's dpntfx, and you can join our Telegram channel, that is Best Forex Gadgets. And this specific video, as I just mentioned earlier, we created the videos on 5652 setting, and right now whatever I have just shown you, this one, that is on 7889 setting. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for staying with me, and thanks for subscribing our YouTube channel in advance. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.